Right. This is the old seal. If you can see, oh, maybe you can see there, look. See the lip? This is the new one. See, there's a much pronounced lip on here. Maybe you can see it better that way. Yeah, turn them that way, look. You can see this one's almost flat. Let me put one on top of another. And you can see how the lip's tighter, so this is going to go well. I'm about to put the old one in then. I'm using the Freudenberg kit, the proper one, you know. Just a little bit of lube on that seal before we put it in. And remember which way it went in, boys and girls. Don't put it in that way, because all the pressure will push the oil out. It goes in this way because the pressure is going to be this way. And when the pressure, if we notice here, it's got a lip on the outside too. And that's when the pressure expands that seal, because it's got nowhere to go, if you see what I mean. It can't. It doesn't really turn all that much, but the hydraulic pressure inside will push that apart. And if you put it on the wrong way around, you'll have oil everywhere. Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pause a minute, and I'm going to put some tape around that spline. You'll see why. Just some electrical tape will prevent the spline cutting into the seal. It's really important. That's how you can really cock a job up. Because look, you see it's tight already on that on the outer bit, and it hasn't even got down to the bottom yet. See? So somehow we've got to try and get that seal into there without damaging it. Now, yeah, this has been beaten up here. Look here, there's all hammer rash all over it. I noticed there was hammer rash on the front, but somebody's obviously had maybe a chisel on that. Should I force it in? Have I got a piece of tube? Well, I might be able to just do it just with a screwdriver, just gently push it in. Let me try it, because if I'm going to do something embarrassing, I'll do it in front of you guys. Keeping pressure on the top, can I force that seal in? And the answer is yes. But it's going to take some time. Now I don't want to damage that seal at all. Boy, this has got to be oil tight. I'll come back to you. Right, that took a little bit of time trying to push that seal in. It went in, but I'm going to try and use a socket. Hopefully this is deep enough to set it down. And obviously it isn't. It's bottoming out. Let me find another one. I found one of these in my plumbing drawer. It's a connector for the bottom of a sink. That'll work. Will it? Because it's brass, you know what I mean? Oh, that's right down the bottom there, look. It just dropped in. Ah, brilliant. That's not going to go very far. Next. Where is the, is this the one I opened? Yeah. Next, the cover, which is another seal, a secondary seal. This is looking a good condition too, but again I'm leaving the tape on till last. We'll put some, a little bit of grease around it. Yeah, that is tight, I think. Yeah, tape is necessary, I tell you. Wow, that's tight. Maybe I put too much tape on. We'll see. Where's my special tool? better if it was flat at the top like a socket. Now we can take our tape off. Yeah, I think a bit wild with the tape. But like I say, now the seal's all good. It comes with a new snap ring, which is brilliant. There we go. Fingers on it, push it down tight. Oh, not tight enough. These things are bloody girls. I bought these off bloody Amazon thinking they were good circuit pliers, but they're not really. God damn it. They're just these American ones, they just won't go through the bloody hole. Damn it. Yeah, you've got some flimsy ass ones here. They're just too small. Let's try it. Oh, I spoke too soon. Went in. Right. There, the snap ring has gone down. That is good. Now the dust cover. That doesn't do much at all, apart from keeping the dust in. I'll just open that out a little bit. Comme ça. Press it right the way down, so that's it, that's it. And that's how to put the seal on. Now I'm not going to put the drop arm on yet, because I want to put it in the tester, but we'll do that for a next video because I'm starving and it's Sunday dinner and I don't know what I've got myself for dinner. We'll have to see what's cooking. But it wasn't as bad as we thought, was it? It wasn't too bad. I hope you like that. We'll see you later because this is making your Land Rover better and we might be able to save a few quid. See ya!